Okay, I didn't realize how much I enjoy using a French press until I started using this one. I love the look of it, first of all. The wood handle gives it that really warm, elevated feel on the counter. It's double wall insulated, so it helps keep your coffee warm a little longer, which I appreciate because I'm usually reheating my coffee at least once. And the stainless steel design just feels really durable. The dual filter screen helps give a smoother pour, and I've noticed less of that gritty texture you sometimes get with other presses. It's also a nice size. You can make a few cups at once without having to constantly refill. I've been using it for both coffee and tea, and it's just one of those simple upgrades that makes your morning routine feel a little more put together.